Morning, everybody. I was requested, I had a request to do problems 35 and 36 from page 111. All right, and so you get this list of numbers here. And what I had to do was list them lowest to highest, and that took a minute. So basically my list worked out to be the 28 on up, okay? So I got 30 numbers in there, and there's a couple ways to do this. So the first way that I did it was the following. So I said, okay, there's 30 numbers, and I want the 75th percentile. So I multiplied it 30 times 0.75, and I got 22.5. Now, I counted over 22 and a half numbers, and the way percentile works is that you go to that next value. So you're looking at this 56. So this is the value 56 that is above 75% of the data. Now, the question reads, what numbers are above the 75th percentile? Well, 56 all encompasses that. So you've got to take the 57, the 57, the 61, the 61, the 65, and the 66. Okay. Now, the next one, number 36, asks which ones are below the 25th percentile. So I used that same procedure, and I went 30 times 0.25, and I got 7.5. And so I went to the 7th number in the list. I just counted over, and then the 8th number. So here's the 7.5 mark. Well, that is 42.5, and so I just went up to the next value, and I said, okay, this value represents or is above 75% of the data, so it's the, 25% of the data, so it's the 25th percentile. And all of these values are below it. So you have the 28, 35, the 38, 40, 41, and the 42. The other way to think about this is in reference to quartiles, or a box and whisker plot. So again, I listed them all lowest to highest, and the first thing I did was I found the median, and so the median is the 49. And that means, half the data is to the left, half the data is to the right. And then I found the median of the left side, which worked out to be the 43. Now 25% of the data is to the left of that value, 25% of the data is here. And then I found the median of what is over on the right. And so I landed at that same 56 again. So I have 25% here, and I have 25% here. And the values that are above it are the 57, 57, 61, 61, 65. And the values that are below the 25th percentile are the 42, the 41, the 41, the 40, the 38, the 35, and the 28. Hopefully that makes some sense. All right.